Hey, it's Miss Lady T. I just want to share the most annoyingest sound ever heard. Wait for it. Yeah, it is. I just wanted to share. Why should I enjoy the annoying sounds when I could put them on video and share the annoying sounds? I mean, really, not much to talk about right now. Just that it's just annoying. That's all. So maybe some people out here are annoyed. I don't know. But, you know, we're troopers. We can get through anything, I swear. Even the annoying mower. Ready? Any moment. It only goes on for like... And it's a walking lawnmower. And it's so slow. And it's like 3 hours later. You're still hearing it. And it's like... The yard is not that big that you're mowing. It's a business, but I'm just like, wow. Just had to share. This Lady T.